Last question. What would you say to somebody that consider attending a Bodywork for Men weekend retreat?
Go for it. So I like. There's so many things that can scare us, and there's so many things that can hold us back in life. And I've learned, for me, that often I just need to just do it and go for it. Like, if it's not going to cause any harm, why not do it? There's so much that can be gained from investing in yourself, investing in getting to know yourself better. And so for me, it's like we often spend so much time and money gaining possessions and doing activities so we can say we've done this, but we spend so little time looking within and getting to know ourselves better and fostering the being within us that is so precious, and so often we overlook it and neglect it. And if I may go beyond your question, is I think that's it. For me, was a thing of self-love. Often we neglect ourselves, the true self within, because we don't truly love ourselves in every aspect of ourselves. But when we can learn to love ourselves, the good, the bad, we can take time to invest in ourselves because we see ourselves worthy. So yes, do it, because there is so much to be gained from it, and just that self-reflection and getting to know oneself is amazing. Not to mention the good food, the amazing accommodation, and the connections one makes. So go for it. You will not regret it.
So what you're actually saying is, this was an awesome retreat.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, it's not only about the retreat. I think every retreat is different.
Yes.
Doesn't matter if you do it 2 or 3 times. It's always different because of the energy of the men, the camaraderie, and then also the venue, because the venues have a certain safe space that they can offer. So, for example, if we do something in Gauteng, would be quite different from the one in Cape Town.
Yes.
And I think that is a valuable point to make and say, but it needs to be a safe space.
Yes.
The venue needs to be a safe space. It needs to cuddle you, to hold you.
Yes. I think of all the activities I've done with you so far, and as I said, it's been a journey, and I think I've mentioned a few times how instrumental you've been on my journey, and each of the activities, some of them in different venues, some in an urban setting, some in a water environment, but each of them have been a different stepping stone on my journey. So yes, as you say, I can't wait to attend more retreats, but each of the activities besides the retreats has been leading me up to be ready for that retreat. And like also being at the retreats, like there's so much I've learned already, and I can reflect on that and I'm reminded of it, but there was so much more that can be learned from it.
So would you recommend a retreat to a person that's never done any of the other short day courses or one day retreats or urban retreats?
Yes, I think the way the retreat is structured, it nurtures you into the journey. So if you started your journey on just a short course or a short day retreat, or if you're going straight into the retreat, I think the way the retreats are structured is nurtures you from beginner or just starting and you're not sure where, and it creates such a comfortable, safe space that you feel free to do all the activities in the retreat.
So I want to thank you, and thank you for your time.
And thank you for you, Johan. Been a great instrument in my life.